So I've not put up a video in a while, and in my last video I was talking about my next bike that I was going to get, and I was saying all different bikes. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, and I've got a bike and it's not one of the ones that I was talking about in the video. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with the choice I made, and it is a Honda CRF250L. I've already put a couple hundred miles on it, so it's a wee bit dirty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a good clean just now. I'm going to give it a cold rinse to get the salt off, going to give it a warm wash, going to snow foam it, and then I've got some Auto Glim motorbike cleaner, which I'll finish off with that and give it a good rinse after that and dry it off. And then we'll see how it looks after that.
Everything changes.
So that's me finished cleaning the bike. I think it looks great. I'm so happy with it. You've seen in my last video about the North Face duffel bags, and the reason I've got that, and I was so happy, it came with that rack in the back, which I was really happy about. I'm going up north to the NC 500, so I'll be recording that, putting up videos hopefully every day for that, and that should be amazing. I'm really looking forward to that, get quite a lot of miles on the bike and see how it goes. As I said in my last video, I've already done a couple hundred miles and it goes great. I'm loving it. It's seriously like night and day between that and my last bike, so I'm just so happy with it. Yeah, so we'll get some footage of going up north, and hopefully the weather will be alright for that. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Cheers.